Hey everyone, welcome back to Secure 7, your go-to channel for learning ethical hacking from scratch. Today, we're kicking off Module 1 of our course, and we're starting with something every hacker needs to master. A basic overview of Kali Linux. If you've ever wondered, what is Kali Linux? Why do hackers use it? You're in the right place. Part 1. What is Kali Linux? So let's start with the basics. Kali Linux is a specialized Linux distribution created specifically for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It's built and maintained by Offensive Security, and it comes preloaded with hundreds of tools used by hackers, security professionals, and forensic analysts. Think of it like a hacker's Swiss Army knife. It's got everything from network scanners to password crackers. And the best part? It's free, open source, and based on Debian. Why use Kali Linux? Now you might ask, why Kali? Why not Ubuntu or Windows? Well, here's the thing. With Kali, you don't have to install tools one by one. Everything is optimized for hacking and security. It runs on low-spec machines. It's constantly updated for security pros. So instead of building your own hacking machine from scratch, Kali gives you a fully loaded lab ready to go. All right, let's take a quick tour of the Kali desktop. So when you first boot Kali, you'll see a clean interface, usually running XFCE or GNOME, depending on what you chose during install. Let's look at what's on the left. You've got shortcuts for Terminal, File Manager, and Browser. On the top bar, you'll find Settings, Power, Wi-Fi, and more. And of course, your Applications menu is where the magic happens. Open it up, and you'll see categories like Information Gathering, Vulnerability Analysis, Web application attacks, password attacks, wireless attacks. Each of these folders contains powerful tools you'll learn to use throughout this course. Let me show you some of the tools that come pre-installed. Nmap for scanning networks, Burp Suite for testing web apps, Wireshark for capturing packets, Metasploit for launching exploits, John the Ripper for cracking passwords, Hydra for brute force attacks. And that's just scratching the surface. Everything is organized by purpose. So even if you're a beginner, it's easy to find what you need. Now, Kali is still Linux under the hood, so you'll be working a lot in the terminal. You'll see a home folder, root access, and a very typical Linux-style file system. We'll go deeper into terminal commands in the next module, but just know, if you want to unlock Kali's full power, you need to get comfy with the command line. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Kali isn't something you use as your daily OS like Windows or Mac OS. Instead, use Kali when you're testing networks or websites, practicing CTFs or challenges, doing lab work for your certifications, or working in a controlled ethical hacking environment. Pro tip, always use Kali in a virtual machine or a separate setup, never for everyday browsing or personal work. So there you have it, your basic overview of Kali Linux. It's the platform you'll be using throughout this course to scan, test, hack, and secure. In the next module, we'll jump into the Linux terminal and start writing our first commands. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Secure 7, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the net. Let me know in the comments. Are you using Kali for the first time, or have you tried it before? This is Parth from Secure 7, signing off. Stay ethical, stay curious. I'll see you in Module 2.